Hello, 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 hello. Yes, this is Shay Rippinger of Hip the Hoopla. And thank you so much for joining me live from the very new office, studio, broadcast center uh, for Hip the Hoopla up in the mountains of Boise, Idaho. So, yes, and I was just previewing a cute little thing. So, stay till the end and I will show you something really cool about what to do with your hands while you're hooping. And this episode is called Fake It Till You Make It. So it's all about, it's inspired by trying to get my office up and running so that it looks like it's up and running. So the fake it part is there's a whole side over here. So I have this nice blank wall that's going to be my broadcast wall over here. That's great, right? And then the whole rest of the stuff is on my in my office is all piled up on the other side that you can't see. So that's the fake part. So, hi Nikita. Hot OCD usage. Oh, there. So, okay, so very good. Anyway, so I'm watching the feeds here. I've got two cameras running here. So hi, Nikita. Long time no see. And alrighty. So if you're just joining me for the first time, if you've never seen the Hoopla of Y'all show, I talk about health, humor, and hooping, and in that order. So hooping and health and humor. Okay, so fake it till you make it is the theme of this show. Hi, Anna. So, oh, this is nice. This is nice. This is nice. So, okay. So, what are the fake things I got today? So, again, fake it till you make it. So, this is a health recommendation. Normally, I wouldn't recommend food coloring, but I found a natural one today. So, I'm very excited about that. And when I say natural, it's pretty good. This one is a Simple Truth brand, but I finally found one. It was on sale, about $7 for 4 food colorings that you can mix and match. But it uses vegetable dyes and instead vegetable and spices rather than chemicals. So there's no like FD&C nasty chemicals and no high fructose corn syrup. So that's good. So anyway, if you're going to be baking or you want to color something and make it kind of fun, this is a good way to fake it till you make it. So anyway, that's a fun recommendation for the health tip for today. So laughter, a little bit of laughter yoga. Okay, so one of the things when I do laughter yoga exercises here, I recommend to do a fake it till you make it laughter. So what that is you just start laughing and believe me, it comes along. Now, if you actually need help with this, I'm going to give you a little help because we're going to do a little laughter yoga exercise. Now, I'm going to just keep it simple. Now, I've got the dogs in the background. Now, since I started whipping the hoop around, Shiva here she's not as fond of the hoop, but we're going to try a little fake it till you make it laughter. So try this with me. We'll do 3 breaths with this, and we're just going to keep it nice and simple. So we're going to just take a nice deep inhale in, and we're going to laugh it out. You're going to just fake laughter it out. So ready? And then inhale it in again, and then laugh it out and exhale it out. Again, it's all fake. It doesn't matter. It's all about laughing. So inhale it in one last time. Inhale it in, and then laugh it out. And then at the end of laughter yoga exercises, we take our hands together and go, very good, yay. Very good, yay. So we do that twice. All right. And why do we do a fake it till you make it laughter? So sometimes you might not feel like smiling. Sometimes you don't feel like laughing. But sometimes getting those things together can help get those endorphins going so that you can get out of not wanting to smile or not wanting to laugh. And that helps. It just helps. Those endorphins really help with putting happy chemicals into your body rather than the stress of like cortisol and things like that. So the stress hormones and, just stress is, it's hard on the body. It's hard on your adrenal glands. So I use any excuse to try and laugh. Now, I wasn't laughing when I was trying to get all the tech issues going for today. So, I've had trying to get the camera going and trying to get the camera up and going on a new computer system. And it's like one thing after another. And yeah, I should take my own advice and laugh at myself a lot through this process. And I would be doing a lot better on this. But anyway, sometimes you just have to laugh anyway and try and get through it. So faking it till you make it is a way to get through it. Okay, so one last thing. I'm going to make this show really, really fast. When you are hooping, we have this thing called T-rexing. So it's when your hands kind of go up into this, little thing. Now, I'm over-exaggerating on this, but what happens, now I'm going to freak out the dog here, but I'm going to switch position here. It's okay, Shiva. It's all right. You can stay. You can stay. So we tend to, our one hand may be doing something else as our other hand is doing something. So what I'm going to give you is what I call cheating belly dance hands. So what you're going to do, and it's going to do is help prevent this this position here. So what we're going to do is, as if you're going to meditate, and you would normally take your fingers like so, you would be taking your thumb and your middle finger. I call this using the middle finger for good. So we're going to take our, there we go. Hello, hello, hello. Thanks for watching live. So we're going to take the thumb and middle finger, and you're going to slide the thumb down the middle finger like so. So as if you're meditating, slide the middle finger down. Now flip the hands over, and you have what I call cheating belly dance hands. Now you keep your finger glued, your thumb glued to your middle finger. That is the secret of this little fake it till you make it technique of keeping belly dance hands. Now, proper belly dance hands, you'll have nice flowy hands. But a lot of times when you're hooping, you don't have, you're using your brain cells, you're using your body, and this one hand is just over here doing this T-Rex stuff. So by doing this and just automating this, so I call these autopilot moves. So you just take this, flip that over, and now you have these hands that can look really pretty without having to think about it a lot, without having to do it. So you can get a really pretty hand here. Trying to stay in the line with the camera here. I've got two different cameras going, so they're two completely different shots. So you can have these hands going and then be able to do something really pretty with it. So anyway, that is a really quick fake it till you make it. So we talked about 3 fake it till you make it tips. So the one was the food coloring, which uses natural stuff in it, natural spices, dyes, and colors, rather than the fake icky stuff. And then the laughter yoga, we had the fake laughter. So fake it till you make it laughter, which is just generating a laugh, generating a smile. And the funny thing is, if you start doing it, laughter is like, it's like crying and yawning. It is catchy. So you start doing that on, like, you go into an elevator full of people and just start laughing. Well, most people just think you're crazy, but you might get some other people to start snickering because it's just contagious. So that's a fun thing. And then, of course, the cheating belly dance hands, which is a little fake out move, which helps you from not T-Rexing when you're hooping. So enjoy those tips. I hope that helped. And so yes, thank you so much. I should have said this earlier. Put it in the comments where you're watching from and engage in this. Oh, Sherry's watching. Yay! Hi, Sherry. Very good. I'm trying to heart that rather than just like it. But anyway, okay, we'll heart it later. So trying to watch the feeds, watch the comments coming through. I'm so glad because the comments help do the engagement, and that is really helpful for letting people know that that I'm going live and stuff like that. So I've been doing these shows. I'm coming up on almost finishing up 2 years of doing the Hoopla of Y'all show. So hopefully getting better and better at it, and getting a nice timing on it now. So yes, getting in and out in 10 minutes now. All right, I'm going to keep to that. So rock on, peace out. Thank you so much for watching. Type in the comments, and even if you're watching on the replay, I really appreciate you doing that. Thank you so much for being here and spending a little bit of time. Hope you got something out of it. All right, rock on, peace out.